Today we will discuss the revision test. The first question, write the output of the following code. Look at here, score is equal to 40, while score greater than 1, it means it will be go up to 2. After that, score is equal to score divided by 2 minus 1, and then print score. Okay, students, answer is in the front of you. We will discuss why it is 19, 8.5, 3.25, 0.625. Look at here. Condition is score must be greater than equal to 1. So it is 40, it is greater than 1. Now 40 divided by 2, it is 20. 20 minus 1, it is 19. So 19 will be displayed on the screen. After that, score is 19. 19 is greater than 1. Loop will be executed. Now 19 divided by 2, it is 9.5, and 9.5 minus 1, 8.5. So 8.5 will be displayed on the screen. Then 8.5 is greater than 1. Yes, 8.5 divided by 2, it is 4.25 minus 1. It is 3.25. 3.25 displayed on the screen. Now next is 3.25 greater than 1. Yes, 3.25 divided by 2. So it will be 1.65 minus 1. 1.625 minus 1. It is 0.625. And when we compare this with 1, it is less than 1, the loop will be terminated. So this will be on this, the output will be this. Next is, what will be the output? Okay, beta, look at here. In the case of list, there are two type of indexing. First of all, positive and negative. Negative indexing start from the end. Look at here. Here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, then -7. So here we are going to display a -1. So look at here, a -1, the value will be 1. So answer is 1. Divya, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now next one is little bit complicated question. Look at here. I am going to write a positive indexing. Look at here. Here is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm copying this. First of all, solve the internal portion. Look at here a2. A2 is equal to 3. So here is 3 plus 1, it is 4. So in place of this, we can write here is 4. How it is 4? Because a2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1, it is 4. Now look at here a4. A4 is here 2. So we can replace this with 2. A4 equal to 2. So we can write here 2. Now look at here a2, that is equal to 3. So answer of this question is 3. Amarinder is clear?
यस सर. सर फर्स्ट में आपने a2 + 1 3 लिया है.
बेटा a2 किसके इक्वल है?
3 के.
3 के. ठीक है, a2 किसके इक्वल है? 3 के. और उसमें हमने 1 ऐड कर दिया. 3 + 1 इसकी जगह क्या हो गया? 4. इसकी जगह आ गया 4. अमरिंदर ओके? Okay, next is again output program. I'm going to display first, and after that I will discuss the output. One, 10, and 10. Look at here output. First, num is here a global variable. So it will display 1 on the screen. Then we call my function. In my function, we declare a local variable, but we are making it as a global. And after that, num is equal to 10, and we return 10. So in this place, it will return 10. So now look at here, a is equal to 10. Now next time, when we call num, now value of a global variable that was 1, now due to this statement, it converted into 10. So after that, it will display 10. Is it clear, students? Divya?
हाँ जी सर क्लियर है.
Okay, बच्चे. Next is random program. So for random program, we must include a module that is called random. So rand int is declared inside a module that is called random. So we declare a tuple in which we have 4 variable. So I'm copying this. Write down their indexes 0, it is 1, 2, 3. Now look at here, n is equal to rand int. So value of n will be it may be n from here is 1 to 3. It may be 1 or 2 or 3. And we declare a string out, and we have not given any value. It is an empty string. After that, we start the range n. N means your it may be 1, 2, or 3. So it loop will be start from 1 or 2 or 3, and it will be go up to 1. Okay, it will be go up to 1, and every time there is a decrement. But remember one thing, uh, here value is 1, here is 2, then 1, here is 3, 2 and 1. But we know that the loop is always executed one less than the last value. So here will be, we removing 1 here. So look at here. Now find out the output. So out is equal to out plus side 1. So here is, look at here. In this case, there will be no output. But in second case, in second place, there is only north. But in this case, it is south and north, because there is a 3 and 2. So south and concatenate is north. So there are two, the output in this is option number 1. Divya, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Why we remove 1? Because execution is always less than the last value. So we remove here 1. So here I'm not taking 1 here. So I'm also not taking 1 here. So I'm not taking 1 here. Next is push and pop. These two functions I will discuss at the end. Now, difference between global and local variable. Today, local variables are those variables which are declared in local variables are those variables which are declared inside a function. Their life is limited to that function only. Their accessibilities are limited to that function only. Global variable are those variables which are not declared inside a function. Its life is throughout the program. Look at here. I'm giving one example. I declare one variable x is equal to 10. Then def for defining a function. Look at here. Here x is a global variable, y is a local variable. We can assess x inside the function. We can also assess the x outside the function, anywhere in the program. But the local variable we can assess only inside the function. So if I'm using here y, it's okay. But if I want to assess outside the function, it will generate error. So this is difference between global and local variable. Amaninder, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. Next is this is a program of the text file. So there are three type of file: text file, binary file, and the last one is your comma separated value, CSV file. So we are going to make a function in which text file story.txt is given there, and it will read all the lines, display all the lines that start with A. So look at here. The function name is not given here. So define, I take display. After that, I will have to open the file. I take one file pointer, file is equal to open dot open in bracket story dot txt. This is in a reading mode. Now look at here. I will have to read the data. For this, look at here. I take one variable w is equal to file dot read. So file dot read will read all the text and save in a string format. So we want to read line wise. So I will take here read lines. Now all the lines will be stored in W in the shape of a list. Now I use for I in W. It means first line will be there, and I will check whether it start from A or not. If I 0 means the first element, if its first character is of A, then I want to display on the screen. After that, close the file. Any doubt in this, Mehak?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. Next is here program same display function is there, but we want to display those words which has less than 4 characters. It means reading is not a word, not a character wise, not a line wise, it is word wise. Look at here. Here file name is story.txt is okay. I will take here read function. Then I will use s is equal to w dot split. सो बेटा जितने भी वर्ड्स होंगे वो अब एस में ऐसे एलिमेंट से बनेंगे. अब एस क्या है? एस इज हियर a list containing different words as a element, as an element. Look at here. Now if length of I, so अब W में यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? S आएगा. तो S में से फर्स्ट वर्ड आ जाएगा I में, फिर सेकंड वर्ड, थर्ड वर्ड, फोर्थ वर्ड. अब अगर उसकी लेंथ लेस देन 4 है, we want to display that on the screen. So we will print I. Any doubt in this? Ria?
No, sir.
Next is write a function record in Python to read and display record of student whose percentage is more than 75 from the binary file exam.tat. Now this is program is of binary file. It is not of a simple program, simple text file. For using binary file, we will have to import a module pickle. After that, we declare function. Function name is record. After that, सेम जैसे मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी प्रोजेक्ट में भी बताया हुआ है कि सबसे पहले आपने लेनी है एक एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग, एम्प्टी डिक्शनरी. So in this dictionary, we will add, we will find out the search word. So look at here. We will declare, suppose we take marks is equal to curly bracket start, curly bracket close. Then we will use tribe, then while true. Now inside marks dot pickle dot, beta there are two functions, marks is equal to pickle dot, there are two functions, one is load. So load is dump, there is load and dump. Load function is reading the data, and load function read the data, and the dump function will write the data. So load किसमें करना है आपने? First of all we will open the file. I take file module, file open, name of the file given in the your uh, in your question is exam.tat. We want to read this. So RB is the mode. R means reading, B means binary. Now next is file, comma. So look at here. Here after reading this, now we will find out whether the percentage, if stu in square bracket, we will take the field name percentage greater than 75. If it is greater than 75, we print marks, and after that accept end of file error, and then file dot close. So this is the program. Divya,
Yes, sir.
next is your question from networking. So modules are different buildings or blocks are given there, distance are given here, number of computers are given here. First question, suggest the label layout to connect different blocks. बेटा जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा कंप्यूटर है उस ब्लॉक के साथ सारे अटैच कर देने हैं. So look at here. So यहाँ पे ब्लॉक ए, ब्लॉक बी, ब्लॉक बी, then block C, and here is block D. जिस भी ब्लॉक में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स आर देयर, लुक एट हियर ब्लॉक सी, तो ब्लॉक सी के साथ आपने सारे कंप्यूटर कनेक्ट कर देने हैं। B will be connected with the C, A will be connected with C, D will be connected with C. So first question is clear, Mehak?
Yes, sir.
Second question, name the suitable block to house or install server. जिस भी ब्लॉक में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स हैं वहां पे सर्वर लगेगा. सो सर्वर मस्ट बी इंस्टॉल्ड इन ब्लॉक सी बिकॉज इट हैज मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर. इट फॉलो द रूल्स, it follows the rules 80-20. Next is placement of hub and switch. Switch will be installed in all the blocks. A में भी, B में भी, C में भी, D में भी, सारे कंप्यूटर को आपस में कनेक्टेड करने के लिए. But repeater will be installed in between two blocks where distance is more than 100 meters. So it must be installed in A to D and B to D. Riya, it's clear?
Yes, sir. A
Okay.
part बता दो इस.
बेटा रिपीटर वहां पे लगाने हैं जहां पे दो ब्लॉक्स के बीच में डिस्टेंस 100 मीटर से ज्यादा है. तो यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे बी और सी में भी है, वहां पे भी रिपीटर लगेगा. बी टू ए टू डी यहाँ पे रिपीटर लगेगा, देन बी टू डी यहाँ पे रिपीटर लगेगा. रिया, इट्स क्लियर? और जो स्विच होगा वो हर एक ब्लॉक में लगेगा, ए में भी, बी में भी, सी में भी और डी में भी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ वन टेबल इज गिवन और नीचे की तरफ कुछ क्वेरीज हैं, आपने इसकी आउटपुट बतानी है. यू विल फाइंड आउट द आउटपुट. बेटा यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्प्ले पी नम. सो पी नम इज 16, 10, 12, 12, 10. बट यहाँ पे हमें काउंट करने के लिए कहा है, तो काउंटिंग इज 1 2 3 4 5. पर पी नम के पहले डिस्टिंक्ट कीवर्ड है दैट विल रिमूव द रेपिटेशन. सो लुक एट हियर 1 2 3, 12 फिर से रिपीट हो रहा है, 10 फिर से रिपीट हो रहा है, वो काउंट में नहीं आएगा. आंसर आएगा, लुक एट हियर, ओनली 3. Here is only 3. Next is maximum date, minimum date from activity. So year wise, look at here, maximum date is latest one, that is 19 March 2004, and minimum date is 12 December 2010. 3. Look at here. Answer will be like this. So maximum date, then minimum date. Next is activity name, then stadium, then price from activity where price greater than 10,000. So find out price is greater than 12 here, 10,000 is here, 12,000 and 15,000. So you will display activity name here, high jump, stadium, start NX, and then there is prize money is 12,000. And next is So here it will be activity name, stadium, and price. Mac, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, next, the last question. Okay, student, push and pop. So look at here. Push, okay, student, in push, we insert an element. So look at here, we receive one value, that is n, and after that, it's a here n is a number and l is a list. So two parameter we received. So what we will do, l dot append n, I will add n in the list. After that, if length of n is 0, it means there is no any element. Print empty list, else we will display n, l. Divya, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now in the case of push, look at here. uh, okay, students, here stack name is given s, so we will have to take here in place of l, we will have to take here s. Now next is pop. Pop means deletion of element. Okay, students, if I receive a list, if length of s is 0, it means it is underflow, we can't delete the element. Print underflow, else. So here we will want to delete the element from the last value. So we will pop. Look at here. There is a one function pop, but pop will take the element address. So here are, we know that when we use so here L is here, the length of the string. So what we will do, look at here, length of s minus 1, because index last element is always less than the length. Suppose there are 5 elements in the list, so last index will be 4. So this will be deletion. Students, any doubt? Divya?
Yes, sir.
So these are the revision test. And tomorrow we will continue with the revision work. Okay, students, if you have any doubt, raise your hands.